Hi, this is Andrea with Indie Cigs at our West Washington Street store. Today I'm going to be talking a little about the Boulder Rock Kit. The Boulder Rock Kit is a 360 milliamp hour pod-based device primarily used for salt nic. How to use it? Essentially on and off. Right here is your button. 1, 2, 3 clicks on and off. Now the device is off. 1, 2, 3 turns it back on. All right, so how you charge the Boulder is this plastic bit on the back pulls off. You just plug it into a standard block or a computer or anything of the like. What you don't want to do is you don't want to charge this with 2 amps. You want to do 1.5 amps or less. That's going to be the safest thing for this device. How you fill these pods is they come out like this. This little rubber piece on the bottom pops right out. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. You want to fill these pretty slowly and with precision. You want to avoid any air bubbles, and once they're filled, you want to let them sit for about 15 minutes on a brand new pod before you use it. That way your coil is fully saturated, your cotton soaked, you're not going to have to worry about any dry hits or anything of the like. Pods. They generally last, I want to say, a week to 2. Really, it does depend on the sweetness of your e-liquid and things of the like, but I would say that these pods get pretty good longevity. When you have any leaky pods, that just generally means that it's time for a new one. Leaking and a bad taste is almost entirely a sign that a new pod is needed. All right, everyone, and that is the conclusion of this video about the Boulder. I hope I answered all of your questions and anything anybody needed to know about these. They were a great starter kit and just a great pod system, great small device. Hope everyone enjoyed.